Action methods are the part of MVC that you'll probably interact with the most during normal development. So in this module, we will discuss how they integrate with the lifecycle and the steps involved with their execution. With this new topic comes a new set of questions to answer. How is a request mapped to an action method, and what influences this selection process? We will answer these questions and more over the next few lessons. Let's just take a moment to revisit our handy reference chart for the MVC request lifecycle. I just like to do this so that we can maintain a clear context of where we are in the request pipeline and just keep our discussion really focused. In the last module, we learned where controllers come from and how their main execute method is called. Now we want to look more closely at what actually happens during their execution. Action methods are the main point of interest here. These methods provide a meaningful way to implement your own business logic, so understanding how a request flows through them can really provide some major benefits. There are several topics that we want to discuss related to action methods. First, we'll discuss how action methods fit into the overall request lifecycle. We'll then take a closer look at action method execution and each component that makes this possible. First, we'll explore the action invoker and discuss how it maps the current request to an action method. We'll then discuss action selectors, which are a supporting component that helps the action invoker make decisions. Next, we'll discuss filters and how they can influence a request as it travels through an action method. We'll also discuss where model binding fits into the pipeline and the impact that it can have on action methods. A lot of these topics apply to day-to-day development, so there's a lot of value in properly understanding them. With that said, let's go ahead and get started.